Scotch lass here, and today I'm going to be asking a question to Bailey Schneider. Now, if you don't know who Bailey Schneider is, shame on you. Bailey Schneider is a bit of jack of all trades in our entertainment industry here in South Africa. Bailey is a local radio presenter with Two Oceans Vibe Radio, and she's also an MC, and she's also a voice recording artist. So, yep, you could say she's a bit of jack of all trades. So go and check her out at her blog, www.vanillablonde.co.za. Recently on her blog, she's asked for a bit of a Q&A. Now, because she's so into fashion and beauty and DIY, I figured I would ask her a question completely unrelated to that. My question to you, Bailey, is, if you had to choose a career other than the entertainment industry, what would it be and why? Check Bailey out on Two Oceans Vibe Radio and go and check out her blog, vanillablonde.co.za. A bit of shameless plugging there for you, Bales. Love you, Bales. Bye.